Hello everyone and welcome to the 7th video of the Learn HTML series. We've now seen a couple of ways to display text in HTML with, for example, the headings and the paragraphs, but we can also define text with a special meaning. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So I've got our template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. Here we go. So HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. Let's try some examples. So before we start, let's create some paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph. Let's copy it a couple of times. And let's call it the second, third, and the fourth. So now we got 4 paragraphs. The first text formatting we can use is the bold. So we can place this word in a bold format by using the B tag. So let's do this. So here we go. If we now save this file, save it as, let's call this formatting.html. Now, if we save this and open it in our browser, we can see that first is now in bold. So the B element defines bold text, but without any extra importance. If you want to define text with strong importance, we should use the strong element. The content aside is typically displayed in bold. So if we want to emphasize the word first with more strong importance, then we can replace the B by strong. Also the closing tag should be strong. Then we have the same effect, but so it is still bold, but now it has a strong importance. So let's go back to our file. We can also emphasize a text by using the italic tag or the I tag. So if you want to emphasize a second, we can use the I. If we save this and reload the browser, we can see that it is now emphasized and that is displayed in italic. Let's go back. We can also make words smaller. So by using this small tag, so let's use it here, small, and here small. Let's save this and reload the browser. And we can see that the word third is now smaller than the other words. So this is a simple trick to make words smaller. Let's go back, and we can also mark text with the mark tag. So let's mark this one, save it, and now it has a yellow marker to mark the text. A couple other things we can do is, let's copy this. Let's paste it. Let's make this one the 5th paragraph. And we can make the word 5th as a superscript. So we use the sub to show it as a superscript. Save it, reload the browser. And now we can see that the word 5th is a superscript. We can also do it subscript. We can replace sub by sub with a B. And if we now save the file and reload, we can see that it is now a subscript instead of superscript. A couple more examples are the deleted element. We can delete the word 5th by using del. So if you save and reload, we can see that the word 5th is now crossed. so that there is a line through the word fifth. Our last example is the inserted, and this shows inserted text. And most browsers show this as underlined text. So inserted is ins of ins. If we save it, then we can see that the word fifth is now underlined. So as a conclusion, we are now able to format text in different ways to give them more meaning with these elements. In the next video, we will learn more about quotations, so we can quote text in many ways. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.